Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will describe how your customers can place a service request containing multiple orders from CloudLIMS client portal. Your customers need to first add samples to the client portal. To do so, they need to log into the client portal using their unique login credentials and then switch to the Sample Management module. Select a sample type from the drop-down menu. Your customers can either add one sample or import samples in a batch. To add one sample, click Add Sample. Enter sample information such as sample ID external, current quantity, collection date, expiration date, and press Save. Your customers can watch the tutorial titled Learn How Your Customers Can Batch Import Sample Records to CloudLIMS Client Portal to learn how to import samples from a file. Now your customers need to navigate to the Request Management module and select a request type from the drop-down menu. Click Import from File and then Upload File. Press Choose File. Select an MS Excel or a CSV file, press Open, and then Upload Files. Your customers can see the file name and the file size under Upload Information. Press Upload Data. If the file has multiple sheets, your customers can select a sheet and a row number from which they would like to import sample data. They can also specify the header row number and the text they would like to skip, if any. If your customers switch to a different sheet in their file, they need to press Reload Attribute Mapping Details to update the attribute mapping details. Now your customers need to map the column headers present in their file with the sample attributes present in the mapping window. Select an identifier, sample ID or sample ID external. Depending on the sample identifier selected, your customers need to ensure that the corresponding IDs are present in their files. The mandatory attributes that need to be mapped are Associate Samples and Catalog ID. You need to ensure that the correct catalog IDs are associated with the client IDs in CloudLIMS to enable your customers to place a service request. For automatic attribute mapping, your customers need to ensure that the attributes present in the column headers exactly match with the attributes present in the mapping window. Now press Upload Data. When the service request is successfully placed, the samples are added to the Samples module. The test requests are received by your lab if the service request is of a test, and the samples are associated with the tests to eliminate any transcription errors. This functionality is particularly useful for your customers who place hundreds of test requests or sample storage requests with your lab. Thank you for watching the video. You can share this video with your customers. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0447.